The Zambia Environmental Justice Coalition has expressed concern about the reported incidents of pollution on the Copperbelt and in Mumbwa as a result of poorly managed mining operations. The coalition is of the view that these most recent and devastating incidents of pollution involving Sino Metals Leach Zambia Limited and Rongxing Investments on the Copperbelt province, as well as Ozone Mine in Mumbwa district, are symptomatic of a broader pattern of gross corporate negligence and inadequacies in environmental compliance, oversight and enforcement. In a statement read on behalf of the coalition by Mizu EcoCare Executive Director Timothy Kamuzupiri, the coalition says these avoidable disasters have devastated communities in Chambishi, Kitwe, Luanshya, Mpongwe and Mumbwa, with effects still cascading to nearby areas and districts, adding that the pattern of systematic disregard for the rule of law and authorities by certain mining companies is becoming apparent. They have highlighted that in February 2025, the Department of Mine Safety suspended Rongxing Investment operations following a fatal accident and an acid spill into the Luela stream, which feeds into the Mwambashi River, and that despite the suspension, the company has continued illegal operations, running night shifts in secret. The coalition further says as the country embarks on its ambition of increasing copper production to 3 million metric tons by 2031, it affirms the need to match this increase in copper production with an increase in vigilance and monitoring of the subsequent environmental impact, as currently there are significant gaps in implementing and enforcing environmental safeguards and regulations.
The Zambia Environmental Justice Coalition expresses grave concerns about the reported incidences of pollution on the Copperbelt and in Mumbwa as a result of poorly managed mining operations. It is our view that these most recent and devastating incidences of pollution involving Sino Metals Leach Zambia Limited and Rongxing Investment on the Copperbelt province, as well as Ozone Mine in the Mumbwa district, are symptomatic of a broader pattern of gross corporate negligence and inadequacies in the environmental compliance, oversight and enforcement. These avoidable disasters have devastated communities in Chambishi, Kitwe, Luanshya, Mpongwe and Mumbwa, with effects still cascading to nearby areas and districts. A pattern of systematic disregard for the rule of law and authorities by certain mining companies is becoming apparent,